Hey guys, I'm gonna talk about this. I was planning on making a unboxing video. I was planning that. You know, the unboxing of the Daisy Red Ryder. This is the Daisy Red Ryder buck. And right here you can see the word buck. And you have a little deer head, you know, pretty much carved into this this wooden part right here. Yeah, right here is your rear sights right here. Right there is where you align your target, which is your front sight. And I call it the front sight because, man, this is how I aim it, like, because, you know, it helps me aim better, and boom, I fire. And it has no kick to it. It shoots well, like 350 FPS, and you can, like, if you want it, you can actually put oil in this gun somewhere. Damn it, where's the fuck? It's hard to spot. Oh, right here. Right here. Like, you may not see the little tiny hole that's right here. And it also says oil here. So pretty much that's where you oil the gun. Yeah. Never ever hold a gun like this, regardless on you know what it shoots. Because if this is already cocked and loaded, then you have a problem if you pull the trigger, which mine is on safety. So I'm lucky. Well, actually, it is not loaded. Hold on. See that? It's not loaded. If it was, it would have fell out the chamber. Anyways, like right here's your chamber. You push that and you open that, and that's where you put your BBs. So yeah. Now, what I like about this gun is it shoots pretty good. I mean, you can probably put a lot of holes in a soda bottle and a lot of holes in a soda can. That's what I've mainly been shooting, like, for about 2 hours today. And it was going to start raining, so I got inside with my BB gun. And yeah. And remember, when you have a BB gun, you want to shoot it, always have pellets. Yes. 2400 count, 2400 complete. Or Comty, or something like that. Fuck. So, yeah, that's pretty much the basics about this gun. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, leave me a thumbs up. If you guys got anything for me, leave a comment. And if you guys want to see more videos, subscribe. And remember, Shaham Farash, hail Satan. Damn it. Quit the